So in this video, you learn how to add an analog clock to the lock screen of your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So the first step is to access the lock screen editor. Now you can do this by long pressing on your lock screen and then enter in the PIN, password or pattern to access editing mode. Alternatively, if you don't prefer doing it that way, you could always just navigate to the settings app on your phone. And then once you're in settings, you want to scroll and select the option lock screen and AOD. From here, look for edit lock screen and tap on it. And then this will still bring you to the lock screen editor. Next, in order for you to switch to an analog clock, just tap on the current clock style that you're using and then switch to the section labeled style. Under style, look for the analog clock that's available and tap on it. And then you can even choose to change the color. If you switch to the font and style section, you can choose to change the color and just customize it to your liking. Once you're happy with all the customizations that you've made, including making the clock bigger or even smaller and moving it around on your screen, then what you're going to do is just go ahead and select the option done to save and apply the changes. So now whenever you look at the lock screen of your phone, you'll notice that you've successfully added the analog clock. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.